Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to change date and time on your EPSON ET-4700. To do that, firstly you should open Settings. Then in Settings, here, scroll right and find here Printer Settings. Maybe it was okay on the second page. Click OK. Here we can find date and time settings. Here we can change daylight saving time, time difference and other settings, but we are interested in date and time. And here choose the time format and select the date. For example, I wanna make 07. Here we have, as you can see, the keyboard. Here we have the keyboard and we can write months and the year. And then click OK. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.